Hello everyone. In this video we are going to create one immutable class, and we will see the how deep cloning is beneficial in the immutability. And I will create one immutable class, and first I will show you without the deep cloning, and after that I will show you after doing the deep cloning. So what is the difference between these two? How our immutability breaks if I don't use the uh, deep cloning. So let's start with one class. So let me create one class here. I'm creating one student class. So before going to that, I want to tell you that how to create the immutable class. So immutable class we can create with some steps, like first the class should be final. Okay, so why should class should be final? Because no subclasses of that class can be created. Okay, the first point is the class should be final. Okay, and the second step is to define all the class as private, all the variables as private. Why private? Because it is not accessible by all outer of the class. Okay, and final means once the value is assigned, its value cannot be changed. So private and final, all the variables should be private and final. Private because we don't want to other classes to see this variable, and final means it's not modifiable once the value is assigned. Okay, so let me create two variables like name, and then I will create one more class, one more variable city, and it's giving error because it is saying like it is not initialized, but we will initialize it in the constructor, don't worry. So private, again I am okay, one more thing, I am taking uh, one more variable here. I am taking it as map type, and its type, key type is string and value type is string. So here I have taken one map. Okay, now what I will do, I will create one just quickly I will create one constructor. Okay, so first, if you see in this constructor, if you are aware that name, I am assigning value to all these values to class variables. Okay, city and map. So here, if you see, I am assigning this map variable directly to this our class map. Okay, so this is not deep cloning. Okay, it is shallow cloning. So first we will see with the shallow cloning, then after we will see with the deep cloning. Okay, so let me create the getters also, then our immutable class will be ready. So I will go to the generate and then getter. I want to create for all this value. Okay, so if you see my immutable class is ready. Okay, the class is final, all the variables are private and final, and the constructor I have, and I am assigning all the values to the variables, and we have getters, no setters. So our immutable class is ready. Now I create what I create, let me create one map. Okay, where it's the string type. Okay, then you can try also with my code if you want. Smap map dot put. I'm just taking some value. So here I take random values with Sita. So you know that Ram is always with Sita, so that's why I'm taking uh, it's just the example. Map dot Ram, I will take Krishna, and here I will say that okay, Krishna is always with Radha. Rukmani was his wife, but Radha was the name always we keep with Krishna. So here I am taking. these two values. So now I will create the student object. Okay, one student object. You see, I am taking student, and what I will do, I will just pass the name. Okay, name take Hariom, and city take Indore, and I will pass this map. So our object is ready. Okay, now I I simply just print. If I print, if you see, I will print all this value get name. Okay, give some space, and get city. Okay, and also I'm separately printing map value. Okay, if I run this, okay, if I run this, my all values will be returned. Okay, after saving this Ram, Sita, Krishna, Radha and Hariom Indore, we can see that Krishna with Radha is saved and Ram with Sita is saved. And also I print the value of uh, reference. So the output will be some values like okay. Uh, if you see the class name and at the rate and some integer value. So again, what I will do, what the immutability means, once the object is created, we cannot modify it. If we try to modify it, the new object will be created. Okay, but in this case, what will happen if the magic will be like I will change the value of the object, and no new object will be created and value will be changed. So see, here our immutability is breaking because of shallow copy. So let me change. Okay, I'm just doing okay, let me st dot uh, get map. Okay, and here what I'm doing, uh, I'm just putting uh, Krishna. Okay, Krishna with Radha. I know Rukman. Okay, if I will see this example, and now I print it all the similar case that we have here. Let me just copy, and okay, if I run it, so you will see that my value with Krishna will be changed. Okay, here, and if the value is changing, and you will see that the object is also same. So let me run it. Okay, see, see, see the Krishna with Radha and Krishna with Rukmani, and we have the object is same. Okay, so here our immutability is breaking just because of shallow copying. Now I will show you how to do deep cloning. Okay, that's why we should do deep cloning. Okay, so we have this map. Okay, we are directly passing it to the objects map. Okay, this is wrong. So what I will do, I will just create one more map here. Okay, I will give it temp and new map. So what I will do here, I will take each value one by one from the map, and then I will assign those values to temporary map, then I will pass. So okay, so here I will temp dot put dot entry dot get value. So you can see in this example, you can see clearly that what is the error. Okay, it is saying the object, so whether I can like do this cast it. Okay, I can cast it, or like I can give the hash map because I have not assigned the type, right? So that's why it's fine. We can do whatever we want. Either we can assign the type also in the hash map, that is also fine. But if we are not assigning, then do this way and then assign this temp. So, and one more thing, in the getter also similar way we have to do. So I will just copy this. Okay, I just copy this and I will not return this map. I will return the temp. Okay, and in the temp I'm not uh, taking this. I will just this dot and map. So if you see, I'm calling this maps entry and I'm iterating and then putting the value in the temporary map and then returning it. So this is good example and same values I have provided. So again, if I will run it, you will see in the output. Let's see. So see, we have now the immutability maintained because we were changing, we were doing shallow copy, so it was not correct. Now we are doing the deep copy, and you see our value is not getting changed. Okay, our value is same. Okay, so if I am changing, okay, if I am saying like ht.getMap.put, I'm doing like this. So definitely my new object will be created. Okay, so my old object will always be same. You see the object is same and the value is same. So this is very good example of immutability. I hope it covers um, all the points of immutability. uh, this is it for this video. We will see